And we begin tonight with new information, new details in the investigation into the death of Robert Cameron Redus. Now, he was the University of Incarnate Word student who was shot to death by a UIW police officer.
Tonight, lawyers for the university say the school should not be held liable for the death of the 23-year-old student. In court documents just released to News 4 today, the school's lawyers claim it was Redus's own actions that led to his death.
News 4 San Antonio's Lauren Lee joins us live with the latest updates in this wrongful death lawsuit. Lauren?
Well, last month, the Redus family sued UIW and Corporal Christopher Carter, claiming Carter used excessive force. Now UIW is responding to that lawsuit, claiming Carter was in fear for his life that night. Attorneys for the University of the Incarnate Word filed this response yesterday afternoon to the Redus family's wrongful death lawsuit. 23-year-old Robert Cameron Redus's family is suing the school, saying Redus would still be alive if UIW Police Corporal Christopher Carter had been adequately trained and supervised. Alamo Heights Police say during his lunch break, Carter spotted Redus driving erratically down Broadway at about 1:30 in the morning on December 6th. The officer followed him in his patrol truck with his lights on and called for backup. Redus kept driving and pulled into an apartment complex. But this new legal document reveals more details about the, quote, intense struggle between Redus and Carter. UIW's attorneys accuse Redus of being the aggressor, of becoming belligerent, making aggressive and bizarre statements, and getting into a physical altercation with Carter and attempting to headbutt him. Alamo Heights Police previously said Redus took Carter's baton and beat him with it. And Carter was heard in an audio tape telling Redus to stop resisting 56 times.
Officer Carter stated that Robert Redus then charged at him with his arm raised as if to strike him. And that's when he fired his weapon 6 times. Striking Robert Redus 5 times.
The document states Carter was fearing for his life during the struggle, and the toxicology report shows Redus's blood alcohol level was nearly twice the legal limit. But Redus's family said they couldn't believe Cameron could be involved in that kind of altercation.
To think that he would have attacked someone just is beyond anything I can fathom.
We checked with UIW today and found out that Carter is still on paid administrative leave. The district attorney's office is investigating this case. Reporting live north of downtown, Lauren Lee, News 4 San Antonio.